Alright, so we're going to give him some whole milk. So he is just so tiny, he's not. Oh. So give him a few of these. Wipe him ice off a little bit more. But I heard him in the bushes, but I thought maybe it was a mockingbird had maybe fallen or got hurt. And so I had the hose on. And then I'd get close and he would stop. So that's what made me think it was a bird. Oh. All right, I think that's enough. We don't want you to get sick. No. Look, he's just calm as can be. Just calm as can be. Of course, we'll let him be. Go put him in the kitty litter. I got a little kitty litter out of the garage from my rabbits. He's too little for that right now, but it doesn't hurt to start. And he did take some water, didn't you? Yeah, you did take a little bit of water from the water fountain. The water fountain's way too big for him, though. Yeah. Hi. How are ya? Seems like a good kitty. All right, we'll do an update later. Thumbs doesn't know what to think. Murphy's going nuts, but he's scaring him. Just over there, checking it all out. I think we're having a stare off. He just said, I want to cuddle, and Thumbs is like, I don't think so. Shh. Thumbs, be nice.